Seatbelts, everyone! Please let this be a normal field trip.
With a Frizz? No way!
Oh.
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good. Next thing that you know, you're seeing octopus in the neighborhood. Surfing on a sine wave, swinging through the stars. Take a left at Joe and Teston, take your second right past Mars on the magic school bus. Alligator nostril, climb on the magic school bus. Make a plane turn two.
Take that!
On the magic school bus. Drop the river of love on the magic school bus. Such a fine thing to do. So strap your bones right to the seat. Come on in and don't be shy. Just to make your day complete. You might get baked into a pie on the magic school bus. Step inside, it's a wilder ride. Come on, ride on the magic school bus.
Bridge to Captain DA! Bridge to Captain DA! We have a level 1 emergency!
Report, Mr. Flack.
A rogue asteroid is on a collision course with Earth!
Destination?
Walkerville, USA. The elementary school.
I was afraid of that. Sound the alarm and alert Valerie Frizzle immediately.
Valerie Frizzle?
Frizzle! Today's the day. I know it. Where is it? There it is.
What on earth are you doing, Dorothy Ann?
Something really important, Mom.
At 4 o'clock in the morning? Oh, you'll be too tired for school.
Mom, I don't know how to tell you this, but there may be no school. As we all know, the planets go around the sun in their own special paths. These paths are called orbits, and they show where the planets go. All objects in space, no matter what they are, travel in their own orbits. Under very unusual circumstances, two objects on different orbits may cross paths and crash into each other. Miss Frizzle, are you all right?
Well, as I always say, there's nothing like starting out the day with a bang.
What happened? DA clobbered Miss Frizzle.
Anybody hurt? Hey, these are all science fiction films. I love this one.
When worlds collide. How appropriate.
Where have you been, DA? We had to start a solar system play without you.
Yeah, you were supposed to be Pluto. Arf, arf.
Carlos.
Can we get back to the play? These rings are killing me.
There's no time for a play. We have to evacuate the school this instant.
What's the problem, DA?
An asteroid is on a direct collision course with Earth. An asteroid?
You mean like that giant rock Arnold's loony cousin Janet tried to bring back from space?
Exactly, Ralphie. Only my asteroid's bigger. And according to my calculations, sometime in the next 24 hours, it's going to crash into our school and destroy it. I mapped it all out. I first saw the asteroid through my telescope, right where Liz is now. The next night, it was here. Then here. As it got closer and closer to Earth, I tracked it once a night, then twice a night, then connected the points to show its path. This line shows where it will hit if it stays on the same path, right into our school. Kaboom! But Dorothy Ann, Earth is moving too. We're moving in our own orbit.
Oh, I love it when they do their homework.
I know we're moving, Phoebe. But I drew Earth where it will be when the asteroid crosses its path.
You expect us to believe you when there hasn't been anything on the news about it?
Or in the papers.
Hey, why don't we call NASA? Those scientists ought to know what's going on in space.
You have reached the NASA hotline. All of our scientists are busy right now. Please stay on the line as your call will be taken in the order received. Thank you for calling the National Aeronautics and Space Administration.
Mwah, great. Where's the scientist when you need one?
We could be on hold for weeks.
Yeah, how are we gonna find out for sure if DA's right? Well, I suppose we could just wait here for the big kaboom. Then you'll have your proof.
Oh, which reminds me of what my old astronomy teacher used to say. Starlight, star bright, there's always a way to find out if you're right.
To the bus?
Mm-hmm. Single file, please. Beam us up, Lizzie. Teacher's Ledger, field trip number 24. Welcome, crew of the Magic Space Bus. We are about to go where few even dare dream to go. We are embarking on a dangerous but necessary mission. The objective? Seek and discover Dorothy Ann's mysterious space object. Follow its path, and if necessary, prevent it from impacting Walker Elementary.
Hamburger with a side of s'nores, Miss Frizzle. Why don't we just find it, follow it, and finish it off?
That'll work. Lieutenant Liz, begin scan phase.
Is it too late to turn back? It is too late.
Hey guys, look what's coming!
It's the home run I hit at recess yesterday. That ball's still going.
Good one, Ralphie. No, Ralphie, it's a shooting star. Nope, it's a falling star.
Whatever it was, it's burned out.
Actually, it wasn't a star at all, but rather a small piece of space junk. They burn up when they enter Earth's atmosphere.
Maybe that was DA's asteroid.
Good, then we can go home now.
Sorry to disappoint you, Arnold, but the asteroid I tracked was much bigger than that. According to my observations, the asteroid is coming from the direction of Saturn. We need to go this way!
Lieutenant, set course for 093, 481, Sector 555. Delete low-level float and transfer to warp speed.
In other words, Liz, head for Saturn and step on it!
Keisha, any news from NASA?
Still on hold, Ms. Frizzle. Oh no! We're being pulled off course!
Re-establish itinerary, Lieutenant Liz.
What's happening?
Well, if I've calculated correctly, we're about to cross paths with the moon.
Does that mean what I think it means?
It means we're going to crash.
Forget the man in the moon. We're gonna be the kids in the moon. I think I'm gonna be sick. We're gonna be moon dust.
But we were heading towards Saturn, not the moon. What changed our path?
Got me. The moon is so much bigger than we are. We don't stand a chance.
That's it, Arnold. Because the moon is so much bigger than we are, we're being pulled in by its gravity. Can't we just change our path?
Right on track, Phoebe. I suggest an orbital insertion burn.
An orbital. What?
Lower it and get out of here!
Mark?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fire!
That was close.
Is it just me, or are we playing Ring Around the Moon?
Affirmative. We are now in what is known as a parking orbit.
Wow! Are we going to be moon stuck forever, Miss Frizzle? I mean, what if DA's asteroid is still out there?
If there even is an asteroid.
Prepare to exit lunar orbit.
Plotting new course, Miss Frizzle. Here's Earth, and here's the moon. I think the asteroid is here. Actually, DA, I think your asteroid's right there. Wait a second. It's got a tail, which means it's a comet. And I don't think what I saw through my telescope was a comet.
Comets? Meteorites? Asteroids? Where does all this space junk come from?
Leftovers, Tim. Space junk is just bits and pieces of rock that were left over after the planets formed.
At my old school, we always had leftovers. Let's see. If the comet were coming this way, towards Earth... Gee, maybe this comet is what I saw. Oh, Now I'm not sure.
One thing is sure, if this is it, it's gonna make a pretty big dent in the gym.
Still can't get through to Nassau, Miss Frizzle.
We're losing time. If that's what DA saw, I say we blast it to smithereens. Hold it. That comet looks more like a scoop of Rocky Road ice cream than a rock.
As I remember, a comet is ice and rock all jammed together.
Cool. Then we don't have to blast it. We can melt it.
Melt it? From here?
How?
The sun, Arnold! The great melter in the sky! Extend the mega reflector, Liz. Oops, sorry, Miss Frizzle. It's your command.
Oh, no, Wanda. You're doing just fine.
Liz, activate the mega reflector. Wait! I'm still not sure that's it. We can't wait, DA. It's almost out of range. Rotate the mirror to reflect the sun, Lieutenant. Begin meltdown. Check it out. All the rock and dust is coming off. It's evaporating. We got it! Yay! Retract reflector.
Tell us, Wanda, how does it feel to have saved Walker Elementary School from sure destruction?
Sorry, no comet.
Oh, good one, Wanda. I couldn't have said it better myself.
Let's go home. Mission accomplished.
Not so fast. According to my latest corrections, we destroyed the wrong space object. The one that's going to hit the school is still out there somewhere.
What do you mean we destroyed the wrong space object?
When we orbited the moon, I got myself all turned around. I thought we were here, but we were really here. To get to the asteroid we're looking for, we have to go this way.
Lieutenant, alter course to 090, Sector 388, point of departure 1300. Begin orbital inversion.
Hey, Huey! There it is.
Whoa, that's one humongous space rock.
DA, you sure that's it? Positive.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Now that we found it, how are we ever gonna get rid of it?
What's the matter with you guys? We came out here on a mission. This is no time to bail out. We have a job to do.
DA's right. If we could melt a comet, how hard can it be to melt an asteroid?
Lieutenant? Extend the mega reflector. Rotate to reflect the sun. Begin meltdown.
Is it just me, or is the asteroid not melting?
It's not melting.
It looks like it's made of metal. Maybe that's why.
Metal and rock, to be exact.
If we can't melt it, what are we gonna do? You got us into this, DA. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I wish I knew! Follow that asteroid! There's gotta be more than one way to destroy it.
Anybody have a good plan B?
There aren't any good plan Bs, Tim. If they were good, they'd be plan As.
Don't give up. As Captain Cook once said, the path to success leads in many different directions.
It's simple. The asteroid is on a path like this toward the school. We don't need to destroy the asteroid. We just need to change its path.
And here's how we do it.
Carlos!
The magnetic rammer slammer on this space pod can pull the asteroid right out of its path. Just launch this baby, and whammo, a done deal. Looks like your idea is out to launch.
Ralphie!
The only thing out of here is me.
Hold it! You can't go alone, Carlos. It's too dangerous.
You coming, Arn?
Actually, I was thinking of, Dorothy Ann. This whole thing is her idea.
Fine. I want to go. No way, DA.
We need you here.
You're the expert.
Well then, I'll go. I've always wanted to meet an asteroid up close and personal. Move over, Carlos. I'll drive.
Prepare to launch Space Pod. Ready to launch! Launch!
This could be the most important thing I ever do in my life, Miss Frizzle.
As long as it's not the last thing, we'll be fine. Arm the rammer slammer.
Armed and ready to fire. Reverse thrust, Miss Frizzle. It's not moving.
I'm at full emergency power.
We're still not moving it. It's too big and heavy. Not only that, we're stuck.
They're stuck! Oh, bad. Oh, bad. Oh, bad, 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 bad. This space pod can't pull the asteroid out of its path because the asteroid is so much bigger and heavier than the space pod. What if we become bigger and heavier than the asteroid? Wouldn't our gravity pull it into an orbit around us, just like we got stuck in an orbit around the moon? Terrific. Then we can babysit the asteroid for the rest of our natural lives! Not if we get rid of it.
Get rid of it?
Exactly. We get big, swing the asteroid around us, then get small again. Losing our gravitational pull and sending the asteroid flying into the sun and gone forever.
Right. And melt Carlos and the Frizz at the same time?
Wrong. Maybe they can't get the pod off the asteroid, but they can escape the pod.
How?
EVA, extravehicular activity. DA to Miss Frizzle, I have a plan.
I sure hope it's better than Carlos's plan.
We're counting on you, Liz. Ours coming up fast. You have to make this bus as big and as heavy as you can.
At least as heavy as the moon.
Just do it. Bigger! All right!
We're coming, Carlos! It's working, Miss Frizzle. The gravity of the space bus is pulling us in.
Well done, class. Prepare for ejection, Carlos.
Duck!
Chill out, Ralphie. It only looks like it's going to hit us, but it's going to go around us in an egg-shaped orbit.
If it doesn't, we're gonna be scrambled eggs. It's gonna be close, Miss Frizzle. You sure this is gonna work?
In the immortal words of my cousin Bob, it better. Eject!
Open the hatch!
Hatch opened! They're back!
Yay!
It worked!
Man, we were almost living space junk.
Now all we have to do is get smaller at just the right time and send that asteroid on a path right into the sun.
Oh, isn't this exciting?
Lieutenant Liz, prepare to shrink us back to normal size and release the asteroid from our gravitational pull. You can do it, Liz!
You've got the right stuff. If you don't do it, we'll all be the right stuffing. Carlos!
10 seconds to release. Mark! Do we
get extra math credit for this, Miss Frizzle?
4, 3, 2, 1. Release!
Yay! The asteroid's free!
And on a direct path to the sun. Hey, it's NASA. They said they'll be right with me. Tell them, never mind. We took care of it. But thanks anyway. Yeah, right. Tell them we already found the asteroid, followed it, and finished it off. Yay! We did it.
Awesome! Well, we don't have to worry about that asteroid anymore. Way to go, DA!
Way to go, Lieutenant Liz.
Prepare for re-entry. We're going home.
Looks like the 4th of July out there.
Come out here, Evan. It's a meteor shower. Isn't that spectacular? Oh, it's too bad Dorothy Ann's on that field trip with her class. Your sister would have loved to have seen this.
Beam us down, Lizzie.
Good old building. Thanks to DA, you won't be crushed by an asteroid this school year. And if one does decide to mess with you, we know what to do with it, don't we, gang?
Change its course, of course.
Carlos!
Good one, Carlos.
Is this the magic school bus? Is this the magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic the magic school bus? You mean magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic school bus? I want the magic school bus! I want the magic school bus!
Hit the speakerphone, Liz.
Hello? Is this the magic school bus?
Radio, and you're talking to the producer. You have a question?
Yes. I just saw your show on meteors and asteroids, and I want to know if an asteroid could really destroy my school.
Well, meteorites have hit our planet in the past and caused some problems, like the one scientists believe made the dinosaurs extinct. But it only happens once in a very great while.
That's cool. Well, thanks.
Magic School Bus.
Hi, my question is about the comet. Can you really melt one?
Sure. Comets melt whenever their orbit takes them too close to the sun. But if you wanted to melt one from here on Earth, you'd need a pretty big mirror. Thanks for calling. Magic School Bus.
Yes, this is NASA calling. I understand you were trying to reach us.
Well, actually, yes. And no. The kids on the show were trying to reach you.
Understood. FYI, we all saw your show, liked it.
Really?
However, for the future, not all asteroids are made of metal.
Well, we know that. But some are made of iron and nickel, and those are magnetic, correct?
Affirmative. And some are made of stone, and magnets don't stick to those. Let's just make that clear, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
And another thing, it would have taken weeks for the asteroid to reach the sun. You made it seem like it could happen in seconds.
Well, we had to fake it. I mean, you see, our show is less than 30 minutes long. What could we do?
Yes, well, by the way, I apologize for leaving your kids on hold for so long, but here at the Space Center, things have a way of piling up. If you know what I mean.
Surfing on a sound wave, swinging through the stars. Take a left at Joe and Teston. Pick your second right past Mars on the magic school bus. Navigator nostril. Climb on the magic school bus. Make a plankton too. On our magic school bus. Raft a river of lava. On the magic school bus. Such a fine thing to do. So strap your bones right to the seat. Come on in and don't be shy. Just to make your day complete. You might get baked into a pie on the magic school bus. Step inside, it's a wild ride. Come on, ride on the magic school bus.
normal field trip?
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxing, feeling good. Next thing that you know, you'll see. Suffering on the soundwave, swinging through the stars. Tapping out that joint, tapping, take your sacrifice and more. On the magic school bus, navigating straight. On the magic school bus, Fatal Plane 22. On the magic school bus, rap the river of lava. On the magic school bus, such a fine thing to do. So step your bums out to the seat. Come on in and don't be shy. Just to make your getting beat. You might get thankful to a fly on the magic school bus. Step inside, it's a wild ride. Come on, ride on the magic school bus.
Pass me that one next, Phoebe. Okay, Ralphie.
It's going to be a model of the solar system. Neat, huh, Janet?
I hate to tell you, Cousin Arnold, but when my class built one, the sun was so huge we had to hang it from the flagpole. And you had all 9 planets? That's right, Keisha. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. My class already studied the solar system.
I bet you your class didn't learn about the aliens that live on the planets.
For your information, Ralphie, Earth is the only planet that can support life as far as we know.
And how far do you know?
Really far, because I got straight A's on all my tests, and this proves it. If you already know so much, Janet, why did you come to visit our class? Because Arnold told me all about your field trips, Dorothy Ann. What did he say? That they were, and I quote, highly unusual. And you know what I said? Prove it.
She's really nice once you get to know her.
Oh, good morning, class. Have you all met Arnold's cousin, Janet?
Yes, Miss Frizzle.
My teacher doesn't dress like that.
That's nothing. Sometimes the frizz looks totally outrageous.
Well, since we're lucky enough to have a guest today, I'd say it's a perfect time for a field trip.
Hey, cuz, now's your chance to prove it.
I wonder where we're going today. Inside a rotten log? Been there. To the bottom of the ocean? Done that.
We're going to the planetarium? Hardly unusual, Arnold.
The frizz taking us on a normal field trip? Believe me, that's unusual.
How odd. Closed today.
Closed?
Well, looks like we'll just have to go back to school.
Oh, no! Some field trip, Arnold. You know what? My teacher would have called ahead because my teacher plans ahead. My teacher never makes mistakes. My teacher is a zillion times better than
Nobody is better than Ms. Frizzle.
Oh, yeah? Prove it.
Stop the bus!
Yes, Arnold?
Isn't there, someplace else you could take us?
You mean another planetarium?
Well, sort of, but bigger.
Bigger?
You know, the big one.
Oh, Arnold, why didn't I think of that? T-5 and counting. 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
What's happening? A field trip! Into outer space? Highly unusual.
Welcome to outer space, class. The only planetarium open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And how are all my astronauts doing?
We're weightless!
We're in trouble!
No, Arnold, we're in orbit around the Earth.
Let's see now. We are just about there. Wonderful! Let the tour begin. We're coming up to the sun.
Look how huge it is.
Class, are you all wearing your special heavy-duty sun-blocked 8,000 sun goggles?
I wonder how many Earths would fit in the sun.
Over 1 million. Hold on to your goggles. So, class, we've traveled from Earth, around the sun, and now we are on our way to...
Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. When I tell my class, they're gonna be so jealous.
Wow, we're landing.
Of course.
Told you, Janet. We hardly weigh anything compared to my old planet Earth. I wonder if that means there's less gravity pulling on us here.
Exactly, Keisha. Good thinking. Come along, class. Follow the bouncing lizard. This way, please.
Bet I can jump higher than you, Dorothy Ann.
You're on! I won first place in my class jumping contest. Here's my blue ribbon to prove it. Wait till I tell my class I won the jumping contest on Mercury, too.
But you know what they're gonna say?
What?
Prove it.
How on earth? I mean, how am I gonna prove I was on Mercury?
Man, the aliens on Mercury sure make big footprints.
Nothing can live on Mercury, Ralphie. It's too hot and dry during the day. And according to my research, way below freezing at night.
And day or night, there's no air, which makes it extremely difficult to breathe.
Well, something had to make tracks this big.
Something did, Ralphie. Meteorites. Meteorites are pieces of stone or iron that fall from space.
Come along, class.
If the ones that hit the planet are called meteorites, what do you call the ones that miss?
What?
Meteorites! Wow! Janet, what are you doing? Hey, watch it!
Eureka! My very own meteorite. When I show this to my class, it'll prove I was on Mercury.
Oh, Janet.
Right on top of us! Wahoo!
We're now approaching.
Venus, the second planet from the sun. I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait! Cool, Venus has clouds just like Earth. Wow, what a view!
I think I'll go sit down now.
Come along, class.
Hey! I feel like I weigh the same here as I do on Earth.
That's because Venus is about the same size as Earth and has about the same gravity. Come on, Arnold.
Check out those weird clouds.
Oh, good, a little rain will cool the place down.
Except that's not rainwater in those clouds, Wanda. It's sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid?
Mm-hmm. It's a deadly poison. Oh, we're perfectly safe as long as we keep our spacesuits on.
I like rocks, but this is ridiculous. Do you have to have all of these?
Absolutely. If this doesn't prove I was on Venus, nothing will.
We're now passing through the orbit of the third planet, which is Earth.
Look, it's so beautiful. And there's air we can breathe. And it's not too hot or not too cold.
The only one that supports life.
And coming up is Mars. The fourth planet, right, Ms. Frizzle?
Very good, Janet. Ooh, you certainly do know your planets.
I got straight A's on all my reports.
We know enough already.
Oh, here we are, class. Take a look at Mars. How marvelous.
It looks like the whole place is rusting.
No wonder it's called the Red Planet.
As you can see, the soil here is colored by red dust, which has iron in it.
Look at those cliffs of ice.
Ice climbing, anyone?
No thanks. too cold, too slippery.
Too right. Who wants to waste time climbing up an old ice cap anyway? Come on, cuz, we've got work to do.
Maybe I should have stayed home today.
We've made it to the top. I wonder if Mars could have been another Earth if it had water and wasn't so cold.
Maybe, but as I always say, Mars is the best place for ice cream.
Ice cream? Where?
Here, ice scream!
Let's go! Ice cream!
That's the last ice block.
Great! Now for some red dust.
On Earth, I had simple little chores. Emptying waste baskets, feeding the fish, clearing the table.
The only thing is, we've been to Mercury, Venus, and Mars so far, and we haven't seen a single...
Alien!
Tell it we surrender!
Hi, guys. Which way's the bus?
Arnold!
I knew it was him the whole time.
Mars, ice, and dust. Enough to prove we were on Mars. No need to thank me.
I don't think there's much chance of that, Janet.
Look, a flying potato!
Huh? That's no potato. It's an asteroid, Ralphie. A hunk of space rock, smaller than a moon, but bigger than a meteorite.
It's part of the asteroid belt, a ring of asteroids which divides our solar system into the inner and outer planets.
An asteroid! I gotta have one. Please, it'll only take me a second.
Watch out!
What was that? What happened?
What's going on?
Don't worry, class. Just an unexpected orbital interruption. Let's just see where we are, shall we?
The map! It's gone!
We're lost in space!
We're lost in space!
As I always say, there's nothing a good space mechanic can't fix. Wrench!
Wrench!
Pliers!
An asteroid. I mean pliers.
Screwdriver!
An asteroid! Perfect proof!
Miss Frizzle, we've got half of the map now.
Good. One more adjustment.
Miss Frizzle! Miss Frizzle!
Keep your claw on that button, Liz. Up, up, and away!
Bad news.
Janet, we're not only lost in space.
We're lost in space without a teacher!
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Miss Frizzle to class, Miss Frizzle to class, come in. No reason to panic. I'd never leave you. I'm right here. I'll give you a hint. I'm headed for one of the outer planets.
But that's the half of the map that we don't have.
Oh, good. You can fill it in as you go along. You've got a navigator who knows the neighborhood.
We do?
Of course, Janet.
I wonder if Miss Frizzle's down there.
Wow, which planet is that?
One of the gas giants. What is that red blotch? It's a storm, thousands of miles wide, and the only planet with a big red spot is Jupiter. Jupiter, the 5th planet. All right, Janet! Way to go! Now, if I could just get some of that red spot, it would prove I've been to Jupiter.
Miss Frizzle to bus, Miss Frizzle to bus, over. Jupiter is the largest planet, but don't worry, Carlos, because I'm not on it.
Then where are you?
I've got to have some of that red spot!
We're out of control! Janet! Pull up! Pull up!
It's all yours, Ralphie. Janet! Chill out, guys. If you visit Jupiter, you gotta have proof, right?
I knew I should have stayed home today.
Miss Frizzle to class, Miss Frizzle to class. Come in, please.
Miss Frizzle, Janet almost got us.
I got them some of Jupiter's red spot.
Did you say red hot? You're not even warm yet. The outer planet I'm on is very cold and dark. The colder you get, the warmer you'll be to finding me.
Oh, great. Now it's a riddle. Off we go again!
Hey, look! Another planet! It's beautiful! But where are we? It's gotta be Saturn, and there's no other gas giant with such beautiful rings. Saturn, the 6th planet. Well, it must be cold down there because Saturn is pretty far away from the sun.
But Miss Frizzle said cold and dark.
It could be very, very dark on Saturn.
Oh, no, you don't. You just want to grab more stuff.
Hey, I'm just trying to help. If you want to play Let's Find Miss Frizzle without a map for the rest of your life, that's fine with me.
Janet's right. Miss Frizzle could be on Saturn, couldn't she?
Okay, Arnold, but it's your job to keep your crazy cousin under control.
Miss Frizzle to bus, Miss Frizzle to bus, over. Oh, Liz and I can't wait to show you all the stars we can see out here. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Come back! What about a hint?
She just gave us a hint, Ralphie.
She did?
Yeah, she can see the stars. Which means she can't be on Saturn. She can never see the stars through all those storms and clouds. Planet number 7, coming up. That must be Uranus. You can tell by its tilted faint ray rings and its blue-green gases. See, Kaz, Uranus doesn't do a thing for me, so you can get off me, okay?
Sorry, Janet, but I have to stay on top of the situation.
The Frizz couldn't see the stars through those clouds either.
No way she's on Uranus. To the next planet.
Wait! I need proof! And we need Miss Frizzle. Step on it, Wanda. Hey, watch it!
Neptune! Please! We gotta stop at Neptune! It's my favorite planet! The 8th planet, Neptune.
Looks like another planet surrounded by gases.
And it's blue. Blue! My favorite color! Forget it, Janet. Miss Frizzle couldn't see the stars from down there. Go, Wanda! Now where do we go? She's not on Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune.
That means there's only one planet left.
Which one?
I'll tell you after Arnold gets off of
Right, listen carefully. Miss Frizzle is on the farthest planet from the sun, Pluto. To Pluto! Pluto's cold and dark, all right.
And clear! They've got to be here!
Look! There they are! Yay!
Good work, class. I knew you'd find us. Right, Liz?
Sure can't see the stars from here. I wonder where the sun is.
See that tiny star over there?
Uh-huh.
Well, that's it.
That's the sun?
Mm-hmm.
No wonder Pluto's so cold and dark. Look how far away the sun is.
So, the colder we got, the warmer we got to finding you.
It was a good hint, if I do say so myself.
I got enough stuff for all of us to prove we made it to Pluto. Huh? Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go.
Are you kidding?
There's no room in there. All right, be that way.
stuff. There's no way I'm going home without you.
It's proof. Nobody will believe me without it.
I'll believe you. They'll believe you. Janet, you want proof? I'll give you proof. Here's proof of what'll happen to you if you stay here with your stuff. Arnold, no! Oh, guys! Back turn! And step on it! Shoo! Thanks, Janet.
Arnold, it's the least I can do. If it weren't for you, I'd still be on Pluto with all my stuff. I don't need to prove anything. That was the most amazing field trip ever. You know it. I know it. If no one else believes me, that's their problem.
Right on!
Way to go, Janet.
You said it.
Shoo!
Attention all students. We've just learned that scientists have made their first contact with an alien from outer space.
An alien.
Wow.
Ralphie was right.
Oh, my.
The alien, claiming to be from Pluto, has called to complain about a pile of litter that was recently dumped on his planet.
Ralphie!
As I always say, class, you're out of this world.
Is this the magic school bus?
Is this the magic school bus?
Magic school bus?
Magic the magic school bus? You mean magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic school bus?
I want the magic school bus!
I want the magic school bus!
Hello, Magic School Bus.
Don't you mean the Twilight Zone? That show had more science fiction than fact.
Well, we realized a school bus would make a lousy spacecraft.
I'll give you that one, but only because you call it a magic school bus. But there's no way any spacecraft could visit all 9 planets in a day.
Well, if we did it in real time, you would be a grown-up by the time we got to Pluto.
Speaking of Pluto, scientists don't really know what its surface is like.
You're right, but until one of you kids grows up to be an astronomer or an astronaut and figures out what Pluto is like, we have to guess.
Also, Pluto right now isn't the 9th planet from the sun. Until 1999, it's temporarily inside Neptune's orbit.
Right again.
What about those funny-looking sun goggles? I happen to know you should never look directly at the sun. Hurts your eyes.
You're one bright kid.
So how come some of the time the kids were floating around in the bus?
Well, when the bus was coasting with the rocket engines off, they were weightless, like astronauts.
Oh yeah, so how come they were able to walk around in the bus sometime?
Well, would you, believe an artificial gravity geoscopic confabulator?
No way.
Okay, you got me. We just fudged it.
And don't think I didn't notice that you had all the planets lined up in a neat little row.
Oh, that. Well, it's true that planets are very rarely all lined up like that.
Yeah, like almost never.
But it's so much easier to keep track of them all that way. You wouldn't want us to have forgotten one, would you?
And another thing, if an astronaut ever does make it to Pluto, she'd better not take her helmet off.
You think they'd end up with more than a cold, huh?
She'd end up a block of ice, or worse. Which reminds me why I called in the first place.
Yes?
I'm still waiting for someone to get that pile of litter off my planet.